Alright guys, we're here with the OA Nugget, Ostrich Air Nugget 5-inch frame. Cool little frame here. Gonna put a video together because I didn't see one out yet on how to put the frame together. I'm probably gonna do a build video too and all that stuff. I have some 3D parts that I printed that weren't, I didn't find anywhere online. I had to make for session 5. Just bring that in, I think it's this guy. So we'll try that out as well. So with the bottom plate, you get 2 of these guys. This is the back. This is the front. You want to make sure that the front goes here. Okay, this is the bottom. You want these to face down. You put lock nuts to face down. Okay, this goes on the back. You want these ridges up. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this top plate on before I put the arms in. I'm gonna put 2 of these screws in just because it makes it a little bit easier to keep everything together. And I just until the threads catch. It's probably a little too tight. These are really nice TPU. I think it's TPU, I'm not sure, but they're really nice prints that they give you here. Really nice. So we want to grab these arms, which these arms are nice and thick, and you want to line them up so that the holes when they're in there are like that. And they give you these nice little hooks for your wires, your rotor wires. You just kind of want to slide this in there. And it'd probably be beneficial to do all of them, just for the sheer fact that as you start tightening down screws, they're going to get harder to put in because of the whole sandwich effect. Alright, now we can set that off to the side. Let's get your cage ready. So you want to leave 2 of your standoffs off. Okay, you do not want to put this standoff in or this standoff in. Okay, I'll put this goes right here. And then this is, I'm sure, for this is for your receiver. So I mean, this is going to be a super duper clean. Okay, my memory card got full and my GoPro quit recording. So where we left, you should have been putting the standoffs in the cage here. I actually put the whole thing together and realized that the GoPro quit recording. So I actually have my 3D printed GoPro session mount on there, which you might wonder why the audio is so much better right now. It's because I am now using a little bit better camera. So remember, we left this standoff off and that standoff off. Okay? So, how we're going to put this together is you want to go back and grab your top plate. Okay? You want to put the standoff in the front. We're going to do the front first. It's just easier. Okay? So the front. Take your standoff, slide it in. Okay? Get everything nice and lined up in there. In the back, take that. Just kind of finagle it in there till standoffs line up. Okay? So, and the easiest thing to do is then you want to lock it in right here. There's channels in the carbon fiber plate. You want to lock it in there. It's going to make it easier to line everything up. Alright, now you can see the coolest part about this frame, and now you have the hardest part of the build done too, for sure. So, a little hinge action, right? Why that's great is you can access your entire build super easy. All you do is take one standoff off, and boom, you're right at everything too. To finish it, slide this standoff in back here. Take your cage, close it up. That is OA Nugget. Super, super awesome frame. I mean, I'm excited to build it. I have the stack pretty much put together, which I'm probably going to show too. It is a Diatone Mamba F7 stack. It has the Bluetooth module in it. That's the stack Diatone F7. I'm running a FR Sky R9MM. I do the R9 system. Wrist A Quads Mach 3, which I like, but I'm going to get the Rush 20x20 VTX because it'll go in the bottom plate of this. So awesome. I have an AKK FX3 20x20, but I want this. This is all it needs to be. You know, pretty high-end stuff, and I've had some issues with those VTXs. So yeah, the camera I'm going to be running is the Caddx Ratel. With this frame, you are going to have to run some sort of adapter. I 3D printed this teal adapter so that I can use it in this setup. So yeah. I also have the V-Fly buzzer, I think it is. Yeah, V-Fly Finder 2.0. I really like these. It'll keep beeping. I forget how long after if your LiPo rapidly disconnects. So that's a pretty cool thing. For my motors, I'm going to be running the Zing, however you say it, E. They are the 2306 1700 kV because I do 6S. There you go. Your Nugget frame is built. I got my stack soldered up. All I gotta do is throw the motors on here, wire the motor wires, which is gonna be super duper simple because if you see, they give you a cool little channel for your motor wires. So, thought everything for this guy.